Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. This is Umair from Simple Tutorials. In this one we will be discussing about how to remove banner colors in Discord. So without any further ado, let's just dive in. Now before we start, there's a link in the description that you can access to simply donate to our channel. That will be super awesome. Alright, so now what you are going to be doing here is basically I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step process on this. So now the very first thing that you are going to be doing, head over to your settings at the bottom right side of your screen. Once you click on that, you need to head over to your profiles, then choose your banner color from this area. As you can see, profile banner, and select anything that you like. Click on save changes, and voila, that is pretty much it. Your banner color is changed. So that was how easy it is. If you like the video, you can consider subscribing to our channel, and also do not forget to head over to the link in the description to simply donate to our channel as well. Also, you can subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.